Hi, in this demo I'm going to show you guys how Cloudaware CMDB is integrated with AWS Cloudtrail. So here we're looking at an instance record. We can see that the instance was actually terminated not long ago. And so that's a typical record in CMDB. If I go to the Security tab, what you will see is Cloudaware consumes the inventory from the AWS, but then also consumes other types of telemetry. For example, it consumes Cloudtrail data, it consumes billing data, and things like that. And so one of the data points that it's consuming is Cloudtrail. And so what it does is it conveniently maps all of the Cloudtrail events to the CMDB object. So it's very easy for me to see, hey, what's been going on with this object? I just make one click and all of the relevant Cloudtrail events are right there for me. So I can see here, for example, who was the user that performed the determination. I can then dig into the actual calls and things like that. So that's very convenient. And then here is another example of that with security group rules. So here you have a bunch of firewall policies, and let's say you look at this and you're like, who the hell opened up, SSH to the world? And very easy. What Cloudaware does is looks at the stuff you have in Amazon, looks at the stuff you have in Cloudtrail, and then merges them into a single record. And so, for example, for a security group rule, it will actually show you what's the ARN of the user that created a given object. Pretty convenient, because very often we want to know who did something, or things like that. So that's a quick overview of the CMDB and Cloudtrail integration.